Hey, it's Jane from our recipe tree, and as you can see, I've been caught in the rain. It's a rain day, so that means we cook. So Jake has a hankering, as he says, for cheesecake. So I'm going to the easiest cheesecake that you could ever think of, and that is Jill's no-bake cheesecake. And she tells me that she kind of took the recipe from my mom's recipe and then modernized it. So she says you take about 2 tablespoons of this is 3/4 cup of graham crumbs and 2 tablespoons of butter. And I'm just gonna put it in these ramekins, about 2 tablespoons, and I'm gonna use the other ramekin. Oh, I can't. Darn it, gotta use my fingers. So I'm just gonna press the graham cracker crust into here. And you don't have to press it too much because it's just gonna be the bottom layer. And we're not taking it out or anything, it's just in there like that. So I'm gonna continue to fill these with about 2 tablespoons each. The next step is 1 brick of cream cheese along with 1/2 cup of sugar. And we're just gonna mix that, whisk it up until it's really nice and smooth. So now that that is nice and creamy, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla and 1 to 2 teaspoons of lemon zest. So I have my zester, and I always do it this way. I think I've shown you this before, but you don't want to get the white bitter part. So just, if you put your planer upside down, it holds your mulch, whatever you call it, the skin of your lemon zest into the top, and you can just go around your lemon, and that'll be about a teaspoon or 2. You just want to get the very top layer, and I did give this a little scrub in case there's pesticides or whatever on there. See, and you get a nice amount from 1 lemon. That'll add lots of lemony flavor to this. Look at how sweet that is. You just pour that right in there. Now you give this another really good stir, make it nice and creamy, and then you let it rest. You gotta let it rest for a bit while the sugars dissolve into the cheese, and then you can add your whipping cream. So now I'm whisking 35% cream, whipping cream. I'm just going until soft peaks form, which I think might be right about now. It didn't take long. You don't want to over mix this. Now I'm just gonna fold it into my other cream cheese mixture, and we'll put them in the ramekins. So now I'm gonna spoon about, it says about 1/2 cup of the cheesecake into each bowl. So I'm gonna work on that. I'll just divide it evenly. Okay, so I'm gonna put these in the fridge, and then to that you could either maybe shave some dark chocolate over top, you could put fresh fruit, you could put graham cracker crumbs on top. Be inventive, be creative. It's good as is. It's great with little fun toppings. I don't know if you can see this, but I wasn't kidding about the rain.